Hey growers, this is Milton from Craft Farms. Hope you guys are having a great day. We encountered a little problem the last few days in our compost pile. We got a little unwanted guest. We got a little raccoon that comes in every night, and as you can look, you can see, he decides he wants to dig up everything that we planted and just have a field day. So we got to try some different methods to try to keep him out. So what we're gonna do, we know raccoons are very sensitive when it comes to what they touch and what they eat. So we're gonna put some hot curry down to try to deter him from coming back. So I'm gonna sprinkle curry throughout this whole compost pile, and hopefully he'll come in at night and he'll get on his little paws and he'll run away. The curry's a hot spice, as you all know, so you have to be careful. So that's why I'm wearing some gloves. Some of you guys may be allergic to it or maybe a little too strong for you. So if you can, just put some gloves on. So I'm just gonna take this, I'm going to sprinkle it throughout our compost, and hopefully that little joker will stop coming back. So take a quick look. This stuff is very strong. So we just probably use this one bag today, just to see how it works. Oh, it's strong. Just a little over here, a little over here. Alright, so we've got curry throughout our whole entire compost pile. And hopefully this will deter our little friend from coming in. So when he comes back at night, it'll get on his little paws and he'll eat it and burn his throat. He'll leave and won't come back. So if you're having problems with raccoons, I would suggest some curry, some hot peppers, or something hot that they don't like to get them from coming back. If you're wondering where you can get some curry, you can get it from your local Indian grocery store. Aldi sells it, or basically any grocery store that's available. So go out and get you some from one of those three places. So hey, just wanted to give you a quick tip. Happy growing, and talk to you real soon.